this celebration for the 70th anniversary of diplomatic relations between Pakistan and Germany. Pakistan-Germany ties have come a long way since establishment of our formal diplomatic relations in 1951. Pakistan was among the first Asian countries to establish diplomatic relations with Germany. Like all good long-term friendships, ours has never been transactional. There was a time when Germany, coming out of the war, needed a hand and found Pakistan sharing its resources as part of the London Agreement and subsequently cancelled all debt. Indeed, our ties are underpinned by shared values of democracy, pluralism, diversity, peace and security. The warmth in our relationship has been aptly reflected by Foreign Minister Maas and Ambassador Schlagheck. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan-Germany high-level interaction, parliamentary exchanges and people-to-people contacts have been growing. Our strategic dialogue was held last year. I had the privilege of visiting Germany this year. This was my first visit to a European country amidst the COVID pandemic. Foreign Minister Maas visited Pakistan twice this year in April and August. This reflected our resolve to work together to bind our bilateral relations and to collaborate closely for regional and global peace and security. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan's shift from geopolitics to geoeconomics, improved security environment, and enhanced ranking of Pakistan in the ease of doing business index offer attractive opportunities for German investors. I'm happy to note that Germany is one of the major trading partners of Pakistan. A number of German companies are active in Pakistan in areas ranging from pharmaceuticals to automotive sectors, and I am pleased to see many of these companies represented here today. Further, Pakistan-Germany cultural ties predate the establishment of our formal relations. Our national poet, Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, studied in Heidelberg, as the Foreign Secretary mentioned, and Munich over a century ago. Iqbal had admiration and respect for German culture and people. Iqbal's message from the East, Bayam-e-Mashriq, was written as a tribute and friendly response to the Goethe's West-Östlicher Diwan. The message of our two great poets serves as a solid basis for the initiation of East-West dialogue and promotion of interfaith harmony. Pakistan will in fact be issuing postage stamps to celebrate our two great heroes, Iqbal and Goethe, in commemoration of our 70 years of diplomatic relations. Culturally, Goethe Institute Karachi and its affiliated N-Mere Shimel House in Lahore have made commendable efforts in propagating the message of our cultural icons and bringing the two countries closer. The humanitarian work of Dr. Ruth Pfau, a Pakistani German for combating leprosy, attests to the fact that humanity transcends boundaries. Our Pakistani diaspora in Germany has been consistently and positively contributing to the economic development of Germany in various fields. Germany is also one of the top higher education destinations for Pakistani students. I'm in fact pleased to mention some of the great women and men of Pakistan origin in Germany who have made strong strides in their fields, contributing positively to the growth and development of the country. Dr. Asifa Akhtar, for instance, is the first international woman vice president from the Millennium Education, a subsidiary of Roots International School, for rendering the national anthems of Pakistan and Germany in an impressive manner. I would like to commend the wonderful musical performance by students, they will perform shortly, of Leif Larsen Music Center from the renowned Hunza School of Music. I would like also to share my gratitude to Mr. Bashir Ali Muhammad, Chairman of the Gul Ahmed Group, for partnering with the Foreign Office for the event today and working closely with us to present the true face of Pakistan. Lastly, I thank Germany for gifting the Foreign Service Academy of the Foreign Office with solar panels. This gesture is a testimonial to Germany's pro-environment credentials, and it is indeed aligned with the vision of Prime Minister Imran Khan for a prosperous, green future. I thank you.
नाज़रीन, पाकिस्तान जर्मनी सिफारती ताल्लुकात के 70 साल मुकम्मल होने के मौके पर दफ्तर खारजा में वज़ीर खारजा शाह महमूद कुरैशी तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। अपने खिताब में उनका कहना था कि पाकिस्तान जर्मनी के साथ सिफारती ताल्लुकात कायम करने वाले अव्वलीन एशियाई ममालिक में से एक है। पाकिस्तान और जर्मनी के दरमियान मजबूत सिफारती ताल्लुकात मौजूद हैं। जर्मनी पाकिस्तान का बड़ा तिजारती शराकतदार है और पाकिस्तान जर्मनी के साथ अपने ताल्लुकात को निहायत अहमियत देता है।